Hey, garden enthusiasts, are you ready to shake things up in your garden this season? If you're looking to break away from the usual routine and add a touch of creativity to your gardening, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 10 out-of-the-box gardening ideas you need to try this season. Let's get planting. Idea number 1. Vertical pallet gardens. Have an old pallet lying around, give it a second life by turning it into a vertical garden. It's perfect for small spaces, adds a rustic charm to your yard, and allows you to grow herbs, flowers, or even strawberries. Simply mount the pallet to a wall, fill it with soil, and start planting. It's a space-saving solution that looks incredible. Next up, number 2. Repurpose old tires. Give those old tires a fresh coat of paint and use them as planters for flowers or vegetables. Stack them up for a tiered look or arrange them on the ground for a vibrant garden bed. It's a great way to add a pop of color to your space while being eco-friendly. For number 3, let's flip things upside down, literally. Upside-down tomato planters are a unique way to grow tomatoes. Gravity helps the plant grow straight and strong, and it saves space. Just hang them up on your porch or balcony, and you're good to go. Plus, no more weeding. Idea number 4, fairy gardens and bird baths. Bring a little magic into your garden by turning an old bird bath into a tiny fairy world. Add some miniature plants, fairy figurines, and maybe a small pond using water beads. It's a charming touch that will captivate kids and adults alike. Number 5 is perfect for those short on space. Hanging gutter planters. Mount some old rain gutters on a sunny wall and grow leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and herbs. It's like having your own salad bar right on your wall, and it keeps pests away. For idea number 6, try something a bit more advanced. DIY hydroponic garden using PVC pipes. It's perfect for growing herbs and leafy veggies without soil. All you need is a simple setup with PVC pipes, a pump, and nutrient-rich water. It's an efficient way to grow and saves water too. Number 7 is all about upcycling. Planting in recycled mason jars. These jars make perfect mini greenhouses for herbs, succulents, and small indoor plants. Line them up on your windowsill and watch your little garden thrive. It's a beautiful way to bring greenery indoors. Next up, number 8, create a living privacy wall. Instead of putting up a wooden fence, why not plant one? Use a sturdy trellis or a vertical planter system and fill it with trailing plants like ivy, morning glories, or even fragrant jasmine. It's a gorgeous way to get some privacy while adding more greenery to your garden. For number 9, let's get a bit wild. Growing mushrooms in a log. Find a shady spot in your garden and use hardwood logs to grow delicious gourmet mushrooms like shiitake or oyster mushrooms. It's a unique addition to your garden and you'll have fresh mushrooms right at your doorstep. And last but not least, number 10, DIY herb spiral. This creative garden bed design is perfect for growing a variety of herbs in a small space. By building a spiral shape with stones or bricks, you create different levels of moisture and sunlight, making it ideal for herbs with varying needs. It's functional and looks stunning in any garden. And there you have it, 10 out-of-the-box gardening ideas that will take your garden to the next level. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.